In this video, we're going to cover a lot of braiding. 2 strands, 3 strands, and 4 strands. Let's get started. So I made this color-coded wig specifically so I can show you guys how to braid and not get confused at the same time. So the first one is going to be roping. I got red and yellow. So the right way to rope is you have to twist each individual strand first. So I'm twisting to the right simply because I'm right-handed. Then you twist your other strand, same direction to the right. And then when you combine them, you're going to twist them the opposite direction. So I twist it to the right, but together we're going to go to the left. And this is roping. If you do not do the twisting first, it's going to blend into one and you will not be able to see the difference between the two. Next, we're going to do a fishtail braid. Fishtail is 2 strands. You got yellow and red. A way a fishtail happens is red is going to go over to yellow and yellow is going to go over to red. So here we go. You grab some red, move it over to the yellow. Then you grab some yellow, move it over to the red, and you keep on going. Grab some red all the way to team yellow, get some yellow, go all the way to team red, and make sure that you get the hair towards the edge, over here, not towards the inside. Grab the red, crossing over to team yellow, grab the yellow, crossing over to team red. And as you can see, yellow is now on this side, red is now on this side. So they pretty much swat. And then you just keep going until you run out of hair. This side will go over here, red will go over to yellow. Yellow is going to go over to red, red is going to go over to yellow. So you do this until you run out of hair. Next, we have our 3 strands. For the 3 strands, we got yellow, orange, and red. Now this one is the most basic braid. Most of you already know it. But just in case, yellow is going to go to the middle over the orange. Red is going to go over the middle over the yellow. Orange is going to go over to the middle. And now it's yellow's turn over to the middle, going on top. Red is going to go above yellow to the middle. So they always go to the middle, going from the top. To the middle, orange's turn, yellow's turn, and you keep going until you run out of hair. The next 3-strand braid, same thing except we're going to go under. Now this is called the Dutch braid. So here's your 3 strands, yellow, orange, red. So now we're going to go under. Yellow is going to go under orange. Red is going to go under yellow. Orange is going to go under red. Yellow is going to go under orange. Always going to the middle, except now we're going under. Red is going under yellow. Orange is going under red. Yellow is going under orange. Red is going under yellow. Again, always going for the middle. To the middle, to the middle, going under. Going under and under until we run out of hair. All right, so now we've done roping, fishtail, 3-strand, and then the Dutch braid. Let's move on to 4 strands. I added another color. So here we go for 4 strands. I got pink, I got my red, orange, and yellow. All right, let's do the flat 4-strand. It's very easy. We're always going to start with our right hand side, and it's going to travel from right all the way to left. Pink will then become the fourth strand. And then we'll take our most right hand strand, it'll be red, and red is going to travel from right all the way to left, and then it'll become our last strand. And then they're all going to be traveling all the way from right all the way to left. Alright, the way I like to do it is I like to go above first. I'm going above red, under orange, above yellow. I go above, under, above. Now pink is my last strand. Time for the red. Red is going to go above the orange, under the yellow, and above the pink. And there goes the new order. Orange, yellow, pink, red. Orange's turn to do the route. Orange is going to go above yellow, under pink, above red. Yellow's turn, above pink, under red, above orange. And now we did one full rotation, and as you can see, we got pink, red, orange, yellow, just like we did at the beginning. Here we go again. Pink is going to go over red, or it's crossing it. It's going to go under orange, or it's crossing it. And it's going to go over yellow, or it's crossing it. So again, we're traveling from right all the way to the left, going above, under, and above. And you keep going until you run out of hair. Here we are. 4 strand. I call this one the flat braid. Another 4 strand, I call this one the 3D. We still have your pink, your red, your orange, and your yellow. Alrighty, this one is a little bit more complicated, but we got the colors here, right? So it should be easy to follow. Orange and pink are going to be buddies. Yellow and red are going to be buddies. The whole time. Here we go. Pink and orange. The one on the outer always goes first. Ready? Pink is going to go between red and orange for second. And orange is going to bypass pink and bypass red to be first. Let's go on this side. Yellow and red, partners for life. Yellow, because it's on the outer, is going to go first. It's going to go between pink and red, second from this side, and red is going to travel all the way over to be first. Well, first on this side. Now we got orange, yellow, pink, red. Again, pink and orange are buddies. Because orange is on the outer. Orange is going to go first between yellow and pink. And pink is going to travel all the way over to first place on this side. Here we go with red and yellow. Red is going to go first because it's on the outer. Red is going to go between orange and yellow yellow is going to take its place. Now we did one full rotation. We're back to the beginning. Pink, red, orange, yellow. Pink and orange, friends for life. Pink is going to go between red and orange. Orange is going to travel all the way to first place. Yellow and red turn. Yellow is going to travel 2 seconds from over here. So between pink and red. Red is going to go and take yellow's place. Orange and pink. Orange is going to go between yellow and pink. And pink is going to take orange's place. Red and yellow. Because red is on the outer. Red is going to go first. Bloop. Drop between orange and yellow. And yellow is going to take its place. We did one another full rotation. pink, red, orange, yellow. Pink, because it's on the outer edge, is going to go first. It goes between red and orange. Orange will take pink's place. And as you can guess, yellow is going to go first, drop between pink and red will take yellow's place. And you keep going until you run out of hair. And this is how you do 4 strands 3D. Last but not least. Now this one I don't use too much, ever, but it is still a 4-strand braid, so we should know it. You never know, it might be trendy one day. We got pink, red, orange, and yellow. Ready? Okay. On the outer, in our case it's pink, it's only going to travel to here. And on the outer, on this side, yellow, it's only going to travel to here. So they don't go all the way to the end, they stop right before. It's kind of like running a race, but you don't want to finish it. So pink, instead of going all the way past yellow, decides to stop here. And then yellow, instead of going all the way over here, it's going to stop 3rd place, 2nd place. Either way, it's not crossing the finish line. You ready? Let's go to the right first. Pink is going to go over the red, under the orange, and decides to stop. Yellow is not going to go over the pink, but under. Under the pink, over the orange, and decides to stop. So anything on this side is going to go over. So we're going to go over the yellow, under the orange, stop. Anything on this side is going to go under first, then above the orange, and stop. Here we go again. Yellow, because it's now on this side, will go above pink, under orange, stop. Red is going to go under yellow, above orange, stop. Pink is going to go above red, under orange, stop. Yellow is going to go under pink, above orange, and stop. And you keep going until you run out of hair. But then, what is fun on this one is that you hang on to one that's in the middle. I hang on to the orange. And then what you do is you pull on it. And you get this. It's just different. It's a 4-strand braid. It belongs with the club. So, this wig cap, color-coded with the 7 braids, I do sell this. It is right now on my Etsy store, and the link will be below.